by Kelly Hicks. Science Content Editor, Christy Liu. Rourke Educational Media. Copyright 2013. Table of Contents. Think about it. Page 4. Is it natural or man-made? Page 6. Food for thought. Page 18. Show what you know. Page 22. Glossary. Page 23. Index. Page 24. Think about it. Take a drink of water. Play a game on the computer. Have you thought about where the water came from or how the computer was made? Everything in our world is either natural or man-made. Water travels from a natural source through man-made pipes to get to the water fountain. Is it natural or man-made? What makes something natural? Think of the things that come directly from the environment. Air, water, and soil are resources that exist in nature. People cannot make natural resources. People need to protect our natural resources because they cannot be replaced. People can change natural resources. Something created by a person that does not occur naturally in the environment is man-made. Let's see if we can decide what is natural and what is man-made. The natural world